Okay. Do it. I can still see you.
It's just like videotape Rachel.
No, you don't videotape me.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't. Stop it. Stop it.
Come on, you guys be nice for once.
Hi. You're on camera.
You just missed
Hi. She'll keep
My
the
little
video.
buddy today. Should I sneak up and hug him?
No, stop it, Rob.
Oh,
Sorry.
Brian. Why? Why are you guys being mean today? Can't do this once. See, you're very mean. Hey.
I got that on camera.
Great. I even was whistling at. Bro, I saw that.
Which one?
Not that Rob, this Rob. But this one that kills vampires for a living.
It's true. I'm a licensed exorcist.
I'm
What are
going
you
to
doing
zombie
here?
slayer.
It's alright. I'm a vampire slayer.
Rob, can you please stop doing that, hon?
Shut up.
You totally missed that.
You doing goo.
Shut up. Don't give me that look that says hot. I know all. Shut up.
Stop.
Danielle.
Rob's being silly. This Rob. He's poking me. I don't like it. As though Rachel cares.
Just wink at me.
I'm very cold.
I'm just gonna go go to sleep.
Are you recording her recording?
I'm very cold.
Nice.
See, the
Rachel!
funny thing is, you're going to run out of time.
I was doing it to him.
Yeah.
I've got like 8 gigs of memory.
You missed it.
Doesn't go up.
I already got him once.
Oh, is that a camera? That's my phone.
Rob, I told you to stop doing that, babe. Can you please stop?
Babe.
Okay, thank you. Got it! Oh! Oh!